Raindrops.
Halo Top.
Smoking, no cooking, the hot.
My infinite wisdom after my roommate barged in and ruined my recording for the first take. I did not frame the video correctly, and you have my head cropped out.
Hey, what's up, guys? Crispy Fresh Reviews back again with food review. This time, for you late night snackers or people who just like sweets, got an ice cream review. I've heard a lot about this on the internet. People are saying it's, it's great. They say it's good. It's, and it's also really low calories. It's 70 calories per serving for ice cream. So a whole pint is only 270 calories. It's like a third of normal ice cream calorie content. So, yeah, the ingredients seem to be pretty much normal ice cream, I guess. But, they say it's a light ice cream. And I've heard it's flaky, but it's also got a good source of protein. So we're going to check it out. And, yeah, I got birthday cake flavor? Yeah, birthday cake. Bottoms up, calories down, it says. Hashtag Halo Top. I'm not sure about the name. It's kind of weird. It's all natural? No corn syrup? Alright, look at that. You got a nice fluffy top. The ice cream. Tastes like and smells like cake batter or birthday cake. So let's take a little bite. Oh man, it's really good. And when I say that, that's not a forced reaction. It's actually pretty good. Sometimes people ask me if I do these and if I'm serious. And I can't really tell either. Because I want to give a legitimate review. But like, how serious can I take myself if I'm, reviewing ice cream in my room? What's the point? But if I have thoughts like that, and I want ice cream to feel better, it's a great option for a low-calorie solution. At the grocery store, the guy who was bagging my groceries told me they've been selling a lot of this stuff. And, me being the very social beast that I am, I didn't say anything back to him. To be honest, that is really good, though. Damn. It's definitely a lot lighter in taste than like Cold Stone's cake batter, or Ben & Jerry's. Like after it melts, there's like almost no aftertaste. It's very melts very quickly in your mouth too. Man, these guys are going places. Whoever makes this, I just don't understand how it can be 280 calories. in a whole pint. It's less than one McDonald's cheeseburger. What do they sweeten it with? Organic cane sugar, vegetable glycerin, that's in vape juice, rainbow sprinkles, that has regular sugar, but not milk and cream, eggs, erythritol, prebiotic fiber, milk protein concentrate, gross. What else? Sea salt. Oh, that's to make. For some reason, if you add salt to stuff that's not that sweet, it makes it like much sweeter. It's a weird. And they got natural flavors, organic carob gum, organic guar gum, and organic stevia. So it's basically just Splenda ice cream, I guess. But still. Are there other low-calorie ice creams? So you got low-fat ice cream, but that's like total misnomer. Like, just because it's low-fat doesn't mean it's not loaded up with 1 billion pounds of sugar. Dietary fat is not equal body fat. It's not like if you eat more dietary fat, you gain weight. I mean, it's just that dietary fat is more calorie dense. This is really good though. I would say I could eat this all night. But like, even if I ate the whole thing, I'd probably feel bad. Feel bad about myself. But like, a fourth of this has less calories than one Oreo cookie. So, that's crazy. What the hell? This can't be like good for you. I don't know. Well, now you can eat your feelings away in peace. I'm not having to worry about it. Thanks for watching.